The Agfa Isolette is a series of compact, horizontal folding medium format cameras produced by Agfa Camerawork AG in Munich, Germany from 1937 to 1960. The Agfa Isolette I've got here was produced until 1942, featuring a Vario shutter, manual front element focusing and a Triton top plate. This version features an f4.5 Agnar triplet lens and a Vario shutter, and a pressed bright silver metal top housing. The key features of this camera are a compact horizontal folding design, medium format 6x6 on 120 film, manual focus and shutter operations, tripod mount and external flash connections. These cameras are classics and can be obtained really cheaply on eBay. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.